Use this coupon code NShruti5 to get a discount. Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much, and I hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me this nutritional meal shake from the brand INLIFE, and this is sugar-free, and this will help in weight loss and weight management. This INLIFE Nutritional Meal Shake is an ideal shake for dieters, work employee, students, or anyone who's looking to boost their energy, metabolism, muscle mass, and weight management. This is an effective option to reduce your calorie intake. This supports in balancing your appetite, cravings, and weight management. This nutritional meal shake is actually a healthy alternative to your low calorie and zero grain meals, especially at dinners. This is very convenient and very on the go kind of a meal because this is high in protein, low in sugar, and also no artificial colors or fragrances. This has 27 essential vitamins and minerals. This provides 3 grams of fiber and 11 grams of protein per serving. Aids in weight management. This contains 70% less calories and no added sugar or preservatives. Supports energy metabolism. Also, this reduces your stress and early signs of aging. This has Garcinia cambogia, green coffee beans, green tea extracts, no animal extracts, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no gluten, and no added preservatives. The packaging of this is very nice and sturdy, and this comes with a scoop. This is very economically priced, and if you see the website, which is inlifehealthcare.com, you will be seeing a lot of products and a lot of offers and discounts. How you have to consume this: you have to take a glass of milk and add 1 scoop of this powder. This is in the flavor chocolate, so let's just have this. So this is 1 scoop of INLIFE Nutritional Meal Shake. So I'll put it in a glass. I'll add a little milk to make a paste. This smells like chocolate cake, chocolate brownie. So you have to make a paste like this first of all, so that while you add on milk, it's easy to dissolve. So yeah, so this is the paste texture. Now I'll add the remaining milk. Okay, so I've added a little more milk. So this is the consistency. This looks and this smells delicious, no doubt. Okay, so let's try this. This tastes really good. This has artificial sweeteners. This is sweet, so you don't have to add extra sugar to it. So this is very good for people who are diabetic. This has a nice chocolatey, rich kind of a taste, so you won't realize you're actually having a meal shake. This is actually very tasty. This feels like any chocolate drink. I have started consuming this, and I can pretty much say that this keeps me full and I don't feel like eating junk or anything. So yeah, in case you're looking for something to lose weight, then you should definitely give this a try. This will keep you full, and this will kind of stop all your unhealthy cravings. So you can have this at dinner for the optimum weight loss. I'll put the link of this product in the description box, and also the link of the website where you can see a lot of offers and discounts. And also, if you use my coupon code NShruti5, you will be getting a discount. So I would highly recommend you to use this product and get your desired weight. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.